The Riptides program is a really wonderful master's degree program. It brings together students who are interested in solving problems at the nexus of global change, the pressures in coastal ecosystems from human impacts, development, those kinds of things, and trying to solve problems that affect people in their everyday lives. One of the great things about having this program here, right on the edge of San Francisco Bay, is that we have a variety of highly modified ecosystems and coastal areas, a lot of development, a lot of agriculture, interspersed with very natural areas. And we're confronting the problem of sea level rise. And so on a day-to-day basis in the news and planning in the communities, there's discussion of this nexus between the interest in conservation, impacts that sea level rise are going to have on people and coastal infrastructure, and how do we solve those problems?
I am broadly studying eelgrass invertebrate community ecology here in San Francisco Bay, and looking at how those communities have been affected by a low salinity event or a storm event here. In looking at how these communities have shifted in response to this storm event, it's going to better help predict what they're going to look like in the future, especially since we anecdotally saw a disappearance of some key native grazer species.
My research focus is at the intersect of 3 different disciplines: marine science, geographic information systems, and the social sciences, to help better understand about whale and turtle entanglements and fishing gear within small-scale fisheries in Peru. And these research objectives are to provide both the fishermen, local managers, academic community with these risk maps that show areas of high risk for both of these marine species and the fishermen whose livelihoods can really be impacted if their gear is damaged from these entanglements and unwanted bycatch. The Riptides program have given me a lot of skills in different ways. One in just being able to read scientific literature effectively and rapidly, and also being able to apply these skills and methods that we've learned about to my data and my research. Also in communicating my research to a broad, different audiences, I learned a lot about how to interact with the locals by watching them and observing them, and then taking that skill on myself to do it.
During my time in the Riptides program, I've gotten to work with professionals from many disciplines. Together, we tackle multifaceted issues using both field and laboratory methods. I really feel that these experiences have rapidly developed not only my critical thinking skills, but my ability to communicate and work in a multidisciplinary setting.